Modisto C. Espiritu III, Troop S6, Major Leader Nurin B. Nunez, DBC Band Leader Angelo R. Brandis, CTP Alpha Company Commander Florence S. Guarnes, CTP Alpha Company EXO Ray Vincent Anchoquia, 1st Platoon Leader Boys Paul A. Contemplacion, 2nd Platoon Leader Boys A. Arhan Ricafuente, CTP Bravo Company Commander Fiona Micaela Timola, CTP Bravo Company EXO Nerissa D.S. Magno, 1st Platoon Leader Girls Alice Jean Almasan, 2nd Platoon Leader Girls Line Elcano, MAPE Company Commander Alexis D. De Los Santos, MAPE Company EXO AJP Ramos, 1st Platoon Leader AJS Reporsado, 2nd Platoon Leader Mini C. Espiritu, School Head Romeo B. Colina, CTP MAPE Facilitator Mark Jones R. Del Miguez, Assistant CTP MAPE Facilitator Christian A. Baina and Marilo A. Bino, Majors Coordinator Anthony R. Parlero, Micael S. Dato, Myla May Balala, Jana Gurley Obaldo, Assistant Majors Coordinator, DBC DLC Coordinator Eddie Potentado Jr., Alaysa Valiente, Hazel Largo, Lenny Penetrante, Assistant DLC Coordinator. Entry number 27, Bula National High School, Bula, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 27, Bula National High School, Sagrada Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 28, Seferino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Iriga City. Troop and Staff, Mariel S. Ampungan, Troop Commander. Zen Aaron Duliente, Troop Executive Officer. Justin A. Paranyal, Troop S1. Christine Joy Sandoval, Troop S2. Lohan Vince Nunez, Troop S3. Rene F. Belmonte, Troop S4. Vina Lois Olea, Troop S5. Jessa Marie Alvaro, Troop S6. Majors Leader, Lyra Angela N. Lazarte. DLC Leader, Zara Grace Filomena. CTP, Alpha Company Commander Elmer John Dimaiwat. CTP Alpha Company EXO, Gerson Sinaon. 1st Platoon Leader, Boys, Prince Carl Sareno. 2nd Platoon Leader, Boys, Zairul R. Barcela. CTP Bravo Company Commander Welma Shane Sardinio. CTP Bravo Company EXO Daniela S. Ampungan. 1st Platoon Leader, Girls, Angeline Belmonte. 2nd Platoon Leader, Girls, Princess Nicole Bonifacio. MAPI Company Commander Hans Kyle Alexis D. Panoy. MAPI Company EXO Kyle Lawrence Beatriz. 1st Platoon Leader, Aldrin Adapon. 2nd Platoon Leader, Chloe Rain Osepe. School Head, Dr. Ludivina S. Dilima Bulante. Secondary School Principal 4. CTP MAPI Facilitator, Rinaldo Alvia. Assistant CTP MAPI Facilitator, Rosalyn P. Meralpes. Majors Coordinator, Romulo Almilor II. Assistant Majors Coordinator, Cloyd M. Lagyap. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Nino D. Velasco. Assistant DXMC DLC Coordinator, Meremia G. Bigayan. Entry number 28, Seferino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Iriga City.
Nuevo Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander Ramsel Andri Villaseñor. EXO Jmar Aguilar. Troop S1 Rainier Benalia. Troop S2 Gian Santiago. Troop S3 Carl Elopre. Troop S4, James Marshall Arseno. Majorette Leader, Lovely Ann Otor. DXMC Leader, Christine Osigan. CTP Alpha Company Commander, Januel Bermudo. CTP Alpha Company XO, Jella May Bermudo. Gidon Bearer, Julian De La Rosa. First Platoon Leader Boys, Christian Senosin. Second Platoon Leader Boys, Gilbert Bilbao. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Darlene Sean Dominguez. CTP Bravo Company XO, Richelle Yu. Gidon Bearer, Christopher Bien. First Platoon Leader Girls, Angel May Alog. Second Platoon Leader Girls, May Ann Martinez. CTP Charlie Company Commander, Craseline Bazar. CTP Charlie Company XO, John Mark Adrian Padua. Gidon Bearer, Cholet John Merandilla. First Platoon Leader, Henry Bendesio. Second Platoon Leader, Princess Althea Rose Bazar. School Head, Principal, Simeon Brillantes. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Divina Apolinar. Majorette Coordinator, JV Bola Camacho. DLC Coordinator, Christy Menes. SDRRM Coordinator, Alberto Borte Jr. Entry number 29, Mambolo Nuevo High School, Mambolo Nuevo, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 29, Mambolo Nuevo High School, Mambolo Nuevo, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Last entry for Category Santa Cruz, Troop S4, Juan Miguel Orbon. Troop S5, Juliana Alina. Troop S6, Seth De La Cruz. Majorette Leader, Greshel Yvonne Murillo. DLC Leader, Carl Justin Argarin. CTP Alpha Company Commander, Reynel Philip Porlante. CTP Alpha Company XO, Benedict Monta. First Platoon Leader Boys, Brian Kester Ojeda. Second Platoon Leader Boys, Mark Gerald Berinia. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Nina Nicole Bernales. CTP Bravo Company XO, Jeline Cabañas. First Platoon Leader Girls, Laika Bergantin. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Aisha Kate Benlot. MAPE Company Commander, Shane Ruth Palermo. MAPE Company XO, Jonair Dave Espinola. First Platoon Leader, Philip Gabriel Anos. Second Platoon Leader, Venus Zoe Aquiler. School Head, Principal, Dr. Francia T. Bofe. Mrs. Ninita T. Andales. Principal, Senior High School. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Mr. Jonathan Huerno. Assistant CTP MAPE Facilitator, Ms. Marisol Mendoza. Majorette Coordinator, Mr. Marvin Beterbo, Ms. Angela Ray Gaspi. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Mr. Jonathan Tasara, Mr. Jomel Valeros. Dr. Jose Ballesteros, Vice President for Academic Affairs. Attorney Jessa Frani Sanyado Villasa, Director for Administrative Services. Attorney Emmanuel Ortega, University President. Entry number 30, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Irigas City. Thank you very much. Entry number 30, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur.